about implementing simplified technical English at work. So, a practical implementation of STE may involve the following: the training of writers, editors, and translators, building a technical name dictionary, and using a checker software designed to support the user in finding the right words and detecting apparent violations of the rules. Out of these elements, qualified training is the most essential, as only trained personnel can write STE accurately, effectively, and efficiently. Without proper training and a customized dictionary, software will do more harm than good. However, given adequate training and a complete dictionary, software can save the user time and detect apparent violations of the rules that otherwise might go partially unnoticed. So the software cannot and should not replace the writer, as the writer always has the final say. At the end of the day, the aim is to efficiently produce clean, crispy text that is accurate and at the same time easy to read. If this takes bending or breaking a rule every now and then, so be it. Schulfranz offers two basic types of STE training classes. The first one would be shared classes, where several companies can send their participants to attend our workshops that are held across different time zones to meet the demands of the market demands of various locations. So it really happens on a worldwide basis. The next would be a customized class, where it is often held just for the employees of one company or one organization. So this allows for the highest level of customization and flexibility towards the customer. So for both types of classes, the curriculum typically includes a discussion of the background and structure of the specification, a practical introduction to the rules and key vocabulary, as well as standard and remedial exercises, as well. And on day two, actually, of the training, we have a rewriting workshop where participants will review, rewrite, and discuss text samples from their own documentation. The class size is limited to approximately 10 people, and with the occasional 15-person limit maximum. So we offer our shared training classes very regularly, in fact, on a monthly basis. So customized classes, on the other hand, can always be scheduled in consultation. A little bit about myself. I've been working as a consultant since 2006 with customers in various industries worldwide that include aerospace and defense, banking, consumer products, healthcare, IT, medical, and fitness equipment. I've helped many companies with their documentation needs based on standards where possible, and I now head the training, STE training implementation arm of Schulfranz Tech Docs here in Singapore. And in my current role, I continue to focus on the practical implementation of international standards to facilitate the efficient creation and management of multilingual documentation. So, to add to a more diversified career experience, I was also briefly involved in the civil aviation training sector at the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore, where I was Business and Collaboration Development Manager in the Singapore Aviation Academy. So there I was responsible for the engagement of emerging training markets such as Brazil, Russia, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, India, Vietnam, and China through various fellowship training programs. I'm fluent in English and Mandarin Chinese, and also I speak a little bit of German and Polish. My background is in the life sciences, and when there is free time, I very much enjoy brewing tea and of course learning a new language. So at the moment I'm also doing my best to master the Arabic language.